Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to want to show you how to fix your Fire TV Cube remote not working. Now the first thing we're going to want to do is turn around the remote and then remove the batteries. Then we're going to hold down the power button on the remote for 60 seconds just to drain any kind of residual power that's been remaining in the remote. Then press every button on the remote and go up and down. So I'm pressing all the buttons, and we're going to do this 3 or 4 times. And we're pressing all the buttons just to make sure there's nothing accidentally stuck or lodged in, causing the batteries to drain quickly. And maybe if you have a button stuck in and you're trying to use a different button, well, it's canceling out the different actions. So, alright, I did this about 3 or 4 times. I'm going to let go. Now I'm going to place the batteries back into my remote, and then I'm going to reset the remote. And we're going to link it and pair it back up to our Fire TV Cube now. So let's place on the back cover now, and my remote should still be connected to my TV. Perfect. So now to reset the remote, press the back button, the menu button, and the left button on the dial here. And hold all these down for about 15 seconds. So it may scroll on your screen in the background, but it's going to return to the home screen eventually after about 15 seconds. And that's when we'll know the remote is now reset, and we can repair it and link it back up to the Fire TV Cube. So return to the home screen. Now if I use the Alexa button, it's going to say we need to repair it. So what we want to do now is go on over to settings, and then we can relink it on there. So you might still have the option to control the TV. So we want to go on over to where it says controllers and Bluetooth devices. And I'll show you another way to get to this menu if you can't control it. But then we want to go to Fire TV Remotes and add new remote. Now, hold down the home button on your remote to place it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So if you can't get to the screen, you could just try holding down the home button to link up and pair your remote. And then the light should blink orange in the upper right side of the remote, indicating it's trying to connect with your Fire TV Cube. So mine is blinking, and it should show up under this list. So I can see it's just popping up right here, but it says searching. So I'm going to hold this down a little bit longer, and there it is. I'm going to select it. And when I select it now, it should be paired. So it's just blinking right now. I got to wait for it to reconnect or stop blinking. And it is now connected. The light flashed blue. Now if I use the Alexa button, I can see Alexa is popping up on the bottom. So it's very easy to do. So once again, just hold down the home button to reconnect it and repair it back to your Fire TV Cube. And after about 60 seconds, it should be resynced. Now, if you still are having issues, what you want to do is go to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Then in the search bar in the upper right, just type in Fire TV. And then go to the Amazon Mobile LLC app, Amazon Fire TV app right here, and then install and download this application. So I'm just going to go to open because I already have it on my phone. And this is going to allow us to control our Fire TV or our Fire TV Cube with our smartphone. So I can see my TV right here. I'm going to go ahead and select this. Or you can set up a new device. Now all the buttons on my remote should be displaying on here. I have additional settings in the upper left. So if I want to go to sleep or anything else, I can return back to the settings. But I can use my phone now to navigate over to settings right here, and then go on down, and then go to controllers and Bluetooth, and then select this, and go to voice remotes, and then I can add the new remote under here, and I can start searching for a remote to connect to my Fire TV Cube. So get the Fire TV app on your phone, and you should be good to go to reconnect a remote, and this screen should allow you to easily connect to your Fire Stick. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.